Today I am going to show how to animation drone. This is the like eagle frame drone. I actually designed like this eagle bird design. So today I will show how to animation this. Okay, let's start. Just go to this motion study, just click and select this motion. This is the there are four different types mini motors has to attached for this, and different kind of blade for fan. Yeah, just I will show. Just go to this motor and just select this both motors, this, and select this 100 rpm. It's enough. Just click OK. Just I will drag it 16 second. Okay, I'll show it like this, and again I will go to this motor and again choose this motor and just click OK. Similarly I will choose this, sorry, choose this motor and select this, just cancel it, select this motor and select this motor, and just everything will be by default. Just click OK. Yes, now I'll show it in this position, and I'll go to this animation wizard, choose rotate model, just click next, y-axis number of rotation 1, just click next, duration 10 second, start the time after 8 second, just finish. Okay, just I'll apply this, just click and just show it. Just calculate. Okay, now I'll play it, just click play. Thank you for watching.